Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the front section of your hair aside and then tie the rest with the help of the rubber band. Now make a bun out of it, fix it nicely and then take the remaining hairs, make the braids out of it as shown in the video and then attach it properly. It's done. For next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs and then make the braids out of it and then pull out the hairs from the braids. It will be looking like this. Now take the braid and then make a bun out of it and then fix it properly. It's done. For this one, take the front section of your hair and then start making the braids out of it very nicely. Now take the remaining hairs and then take the smaller sections out of it and then keep adding it to the braid. Repeat the process very nicely and gently and keep adding the hairs as shown in the video. Once you are complete with that, it will be looking like this and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic till the end and then accessorize it nicely and then it will look like this. It's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then take a bun stick and then attach it nicely. Now roll it all together and then make a bun out of it and fix it all properly with the help of a rubber band and then it's all done. For this one, make a ponytail and then divide the hairs into two sections. Now start taking the smaller sections out of it and then make the braids as shown in the video. Keep doing it very nicely and gently until it will start looking like this and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic at the end and then it will look like this and then fix your hair properly. It's done. For next one, tie your hairs all together and then pull it inside out nicely. Now take the remaining hairs and then repeat the exact same process, attach it all together and it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and then divide the hairs into two sections and then pull it inside out each. Now fix the hairs properly as shown in the video and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now take the remaining hairs and then tie it nicely, pull it inside out and then fix it all together. It will look like this. Accessorize it and it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and then divide the hairs into two sections. Now take the first section and then wrap it around. Now take another section and wrap it around and tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Repeat the exact same process until it will start looking like this and then pull out the hairs very nicely and gently. Now take the remaining hairs and then tie it all together and then do it as shown in the video and it's all done. Thanks for watching.